Hi, in this video I'm going to cover what is SAS dataset, right? So here we have one image. In this you can see this is a SAS dataset. So basically we are storing data in files, right? In Excel file we are storing in CSV file, DAT file or TXT file, right? So SAS has their own file where we are storing the data, right? Which we call SAS dataset. So here we have one image of SAS dataset. You can see we have series, date of observation, year, quarter, actual value, and the value. 16 rows are there, right? So here you can see here we have a class dataset where we have name, sex, age, height, weight, these many column, and the 19 rows are there, right? Now in SAS dataset, these column name we call it as a variable name. These column name we call it as a variable name, and here you can see we have 16 rows, but in SAS dataset we call it as a observation. So we have 16 observation total, right? This is a one observation, this is a second observation, like this. Here we have a 19 observation. Here you can see in sex variable we have values m and f, right? So these values we call it as a variable value, right? So this is a character variable value, this is a numeric variable value. All right, now this is a SAS data set here. Now in SAS data set has two portion. One is a data portion, another one is a descriptor portion, which you are seeing here. This is a data portion. All right, and here we have name, sex, age, height and weight, variable name, right? These are coming in descriptor portion. So what are the things are coming in descriptor portion, we will see. So here we have descriptor portion and the data portion. So in descriptor portion, these are the information we are getting: data set name, engine, when it's created, how many observations are there, how many variables are there, right? What is the type of the variable, if it is a character. In SAS we have a two type of variables. One is character, another one is numeric. If it is a character variable, we are mentioning dollar symbol, right? So here you can see the variable names are we are getting here, type of a variable, and you can see here we have 12, 18, 25, 8. These are bytes here, right? For character, the first name is a character variable, right? So 12 is a, we are assigning 12 byte here to the first name. So one letter equals to one byte. All right. So to character variable, we can give up to 32,767 byte. One byte equals to one letter, as I told you, right? So here we are assigning 12, 18, 25, and here we are getting n. So salary is a numeric variable, and we are assigning 8. So maximum byte we can assign to the numeric variable is 8, right? It doesn't mean that we are assigning 8 byte, so it will take only 8 digit, right? We can give up to 16 to 17 significant digit. All right, now in the data set, here it's showing the data portion, and the descriptor portion is showing only name, variable name only it's showing, right? If we want to see the other information, then how we will see? Now we will learn. So in previously I told you, right, we have a procedure, so many procedure. So here we are going to use a one procedure, proc contains. The proc contains we are using to see the descriptor portion of a SAS dataset. So here I mentioned proc contains data equals to SAS dot class. So we are going to see the descriptor portion of a class dataset. You can see we have here three things: attribute, engine host information, and variables. In the content processor, we are getting these many information: dataset name, member type, engine created, when it's last modified, protection. Here we have 19 observation, variables is 5, right? Observation length is 40. Engine host dependent information, we are getting dataset page size, number of dataset pages, first date page, maximum observation per page. It's showing here, right? And in next one, here we are getting alphabetic list of variable and attributes. So you can see here we are getting variable, type, and length. If you check in class dataset, first variable we are getting name here, but here in this portion we are getting first variable we are getting age. Why? Because it's showing in alphabetic order, right? So if we are getting first is age, then it's showing the type of a variable, age is numeric, height is numeric, name, sex is character, right? And the length. All right, so this is how we are getting descriptor portion. Thank you.